Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for trusting me yet with your time. So today's video, I'll be deep cleaning my bedroom. It's my happy place in my house. So by the end of the day, when I get in here, I want to be fresh, tidy and clean. So that's what I'm going to do today. I hope the video motivates you. So you can also grab your cleaning tools and let's get. I wanted to start with the windows. They were collecting a lot of dust. They were dusty. And from here, I will be moving on to my bed. I'm going to change bed sheets and then let's follow the rest. This pink mark right here near my doorway is lipstick. How it got there, I don't know, but I know that it's my lipstick. I think I kind of put it there. How, I can't remember. I'm going to use the Clorox wipes, and I will also clean this switch near my bathroom door. There were lots of smudges and little hands before I can get to the floors. This is it. My dressing mirror is so clean and organized. Everything is looking so tidy. My bed is made and fresh. I can't wait to get in. I love the outcome. I love everything in here. And remember, guys, a clean home is a happy home. So don't quit procrastinating that cleaning. Get to it, get organized. You'll be happier, trust me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I motivated you. Until the next upload, God bless all of you guys. I love you. Take care of yourselves. Bye.